gonna sneak in to look at the wild Odie. He doesn't like it when people film him. He doesn't like it even more when people call the house. I'm gonna call my mom, call the house, my brother's phone. We'll see what Odie does. And that's it with Noises with Odie. I will finish it.